Hello, Capricorn. I hope you guys are having a good day. We're going to go ahead and get your message for the week. Okay? And your spirit energy animal is the elephant. The elephant. And that energy is bringing you greatness. More family union and bond. Stability. Prosperity. Good luck. And learning. Learning from the mistakes, the lessons, and continue to walk forward. So your overall energy, Capricorn, for this message is the Rubik's Cube. Okay? Diversity, perspective, and understanding. So understanding how hard the lesson could have been, how uncomfortable, but learning how to ground yourself and seeing and accepting things for what they are is going to help you move along confidently that there's better and greater. You have the Hermit. You have the Ace of Pentacles. And you have the Five of Wands. So if that right there didn't sum all of what I just said, Capricorn, I need you to protect your heart. It's time to walk away and carry your light elsewhere. You've been dealing with a lot of snakes. Could be family, could be lovers, jobs. But at the end of the day, learn the lesson. Learn the lesson. Spirit is going to bring you something new. Something new and something better. You don't have to sit in the fighting, the competition, not learning the lessons, continuing to give people chances after chances. Only thing you're doing is making your Rubik's Cube harder than what it needs to be. Okay? And your angel's advice is, if you came here with a question, if you're thinking that you could change people, is a no, and you're going to miss your whole kingdom. Your whole blessings. And your universal message is, when you continue to reminisce, replay, or hold on to what could have been, you continue to hold yourself in a place of resistance. Let what was inspire a new way of living, but don't allow it to limit and determine what you can be. It's now time for you to take that light, drop those snakes, and move forward confidently. You have here the elephant energy. And then the reason I said protect your heart is because within that is a red ruby. Nobody's going to guard it for you. So you need to ground yourself. Especially from those energies that always come when your money is doing good. And Spirit's about to give you another good money opportunity. But it's only going to glow and flourish when you remove yourself from the snakes. Now, if you have a question, Capricorn, you can go ahead and ask it. And then we'll see what the universe says. Let's see. All signs point to a yes. Okay. But this also goes along with your forward movement. This was your message, Capricorn. I'm mesmerized, sending you nothing but love and light. But till next time, bye-bye, guys. Message